lovely audience, wonderful faculty, and a wonderful chairperson. I, Dr. Kanchan Sharma, first of all, want to thank Dr. Shanta Kumari Madam, her expert team, Dr. Arna Suman, and whole of organizing team for inviting me here, choosing the topic very wisely. My topic is preparing for normal birth and delivery tips and tricks. As we know that motherhood is a blessing. There is a joy and excitement everywhere. When a patient conceives, she comes to us to take tips for normal delivery and its preparation. Childbirth is a unique and amazing experience. Natural birth preparation is very important. So, question is, why to prefer a normal delivery? Because this is healthier for both baby and mother. This mother feel more confident. There is greater connection with the body, quicker bonding between mother and the fetus. A boost to baby's immune system is there. It facilitates breastfeeding. Avoid major surgery. There are lower chances of lung problems. It's faster post-delivery recovery and shorter hospital stay. So vaginal birth is a natural process and the human body is designed for it. If we see the statistics, research shows that 70% of the pregnant women can have a normal vaginal delivery and only 30% may need a C-section. But statistics show that more than 40% of the pregnant women undergo a C-section, suggesting that elective cesarean delivery has become prevalent. So, why the incidence of cesarean section are increasing? It's because of the following reasons. These are change in lifestyle and lack of physical activity, obesity and bad dietary habits, late planning of pregnancy and a feeling of insecurity, and less pain bearing capacity and negativity. So, what are the useful tips for easy labor and normal delivery? We say the patient to focus on your diet, exercise, get enough sleep, keep yourself cheerful and learn sleeping postures. It's very important that we say our patient to join classes online or physical, because with the proper knowledge, patient can prepare herself well in advance for the normal vaginal birth. These type of classes are organized many times, like by IMEMS app, etc. So patient should know about the falls and true labor pains, baby movement and the process of passing head through the pelvis with the cervical lightning. See this picture, how beautifully is showing that nurses teaching Gutta pelvis to group of the patients and attendants. Do we have these type of classes in our setup? It keeps mental health of the patient also in order. Regular exercises, they build the stamina and loosen the pelvic muscles and make the lower back flexible. These exercises are Kegels, pelvic tilt, cat and cow stretches, butterfly pose and squatting. Look how beautifully the physiotherapist is training about the proper pregnancy specific exercises. We should all have these type of rooms and trainers in our hospital just to promote the normal delivery. Kegels exercise, these are very important. These are the group of exercises which strengthen the pelvic floor muscles and prevent incontinence and prolapse. So training of pelvic muscles squeezing is helpful during labor. Walking and swimming both are very good exercise to keep patient fit and away from problems of constipation, high blood pressure and restlessness. Antenatal yoga classes from a specialist are very important. They keep the patient calm, relaxed and fit for normal birth and delivery. breathing techniques. This is very important. A lady who practice breathing exercises, yoga and pranayam can push better and more efficiently during labor. So that is to be taught. Garb Sanskar teachings, that is upcoming branch, its practices are fruitful to prepare the patient for the normal vaginal delivery. Keep a watch on the posture. This is very important. Our patient should learn how to lie down, how sit and how stand, and do not bend. Because the right posture will not put excess strain on the back muscles so that she can take labor pain normally. These are the different right postures we should teach to our patient. Very important is patient should sleep adequately and regularly, because a good and plentiful sleep is proven to reduce the risk of birth complications. It's very important that say to your patient that do not put on excess weight, because obesity can make it difficult to monitor the baby during labor, making normal delivery difficult. We should have these type of charts in our labor room which indicate BMI versus permitted total weight gain during the pregnancy. It's very important that patient should stay hydrated, take excess of water and fresh juices. Hydrotherapy can beat stress and reduce the discomfort and pain during labor. It's very important, say your patient to stay away from stress, because the negative emotions can turn the process of childbirth into nightmare. Try to do meditation, read books, listen to music and involve in visualization technique, and remain in the company of good and friendly people. It's very important. It's very important that effect of listening to music during pregnancy that promotes personality development. It improves the patience and reduces the stress level of the patient, causes baby's early brain development. Even it is proved that it increases the oxytocin and beta endorphins, which help with the moving labor forward and with the pain management. And even pain, labor pain is reduced by the gate control theory of the pain. It's very important that early phase of the labor passes easily by listening the music. So this is a figure shows that there are so many important effects of music on the brain. It's a picture of labor room. It shows that a close relative is needed to give a proper support and positive vibrations during labor. So labor management is very important. Here, patient should stay mobile during labor, because movement may smooth the labor progress and relieve the discomfort. Patient may sit on a birth ball or soak in a tub. Concept of water birth is now upcoming, because the body becomes buoyant and there is a release of oxytocin and pain relieving endorphins. But it needs a training, because it may have some hazards also. Patient should stay positive and refrain from negative birth stories. Should think positive, remind the patient of her strength and the wonderful reason for the labor, that is her baby. Stick these type of pictures in your labor room, showing that make pregnancy and labor happy, joyful and memorable event. Very important is to give positive food tips for normal delivery. These are eat right, eat healthy doses of fruits, vegetable, high protein diet, iron rich diet. Your half plate should contain fresh fruits and vegetables, 1/4 portion with the whole grains and 1/4 portion with the lean protein. Say her to avoid eating street foods, because that may contain bacteria. Include bromelain rich food at the start of labor. Bromelain is an enzyme which causes cervical ripening and the cervical dilatation. It's very important to prepare the body for normal delivery. Add perineal massage to the routine in the last 4 to 6 weeks of pregnancy. Why? Because it makes posture around the opening more flexible and resilient to pass the head of the fetus. Do perineal massage. For this, wash your hands, lubricate and hook your thumb inside and gently pull the lower part of the vagina outward and forward. This is to be taught to your patient. Just to add on and just to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, there is a device that is known as Epino. We should all know about it. Epino contains a balloon and a manometer. This exercise is to be added from 37 weeks onward. These exercises gradually stretch the perineum in daily session of 20 minutes comprising of 4 cycles of 5 minutes. Insert the Epino balloon halfway into the vagina and then gently contract and relax the muscles against the balloon which provide resistance. Each day inflate and stretch more. After the stretching phase, relax the pelvic muscles and allow the Epino balloon to expel itself from the vagina. This will familiarize the patient with the sensation of delivering the baby, and this device is easily available online too. So, following is the summary of tips for a better outcome. These tips keep pregnant lady physically and mentally fit and her baby healthy so that she can better adapt to vaginal birth and delivery. These are: stay away from stress, join antenatal classes, do regular pregnancy specific exercises, join antenatal yoga and meditation classes, learn adequate breathing techniques, keep a watch on posture, take adequate and proper sleep in a proper sleeping posture, stay hydrated, do not put on excess weight, take healthy nutritious diet, remain cheerful and focused, read books, listen to music and involve in visualization technique, remain in the company of good and friendly people, add perineal massage to routine in last 4 to 6 weeks of pregnancy to prepare the body for normal delivery. Remain happy and enjoy the motherhood. So, following these tips, patient can make pregnancy and labor a happy, joyful and memorable event. Thank you so much. Love you, Hyderabad. Look at this, all animals and human beings. They are happy with their
Awesome.
young ones. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Kanchan. Your excellent talk, also finishing in time. I'm happy to share that I have graded 2 PhDs. One is on yoga in antenatal period, other one is on peanut ball in labor. Both have got positive results. So your talk has been very, very enlightening.